Hey guys, it's Mike and Steven, L86 Customs. Today we're picking up Project Betty White. We have driven over to Mountain Home to meet our buddy Blake. Anyways, I'll show you the truck now. Our plan for this is a cam and converter install, DOD delete, custom tuned by NWA Streetworks in Siloam Springs. So tell us why we're working on Betty White.
All y'all know, like a 05 and up, have the V4 mode,
DOD.
DOD, or
Displacement on demand.
It sucks. So Blake doesn't like it, as most people don't like it. So we are taking all that out, along with the 8-speed. We're putting a stall in it. So hopefully it'll take care of all the crazy downshifting, upshifting, V4, all the kind of crazy stuff.
Right, but it all started because he was tired of that and
Yes.
and wanted a lumpy cam.
Yeah.
And then money later.
Yeah,
we are
this is what we got.
Cam, stall,
All the
DOD delete,
all the
tune,
springs.
yeah, new
all
valve
the
springs,
stuff.
everything. So, all right, let's get to work. Okay, woo. Big changes since the last time you've seen it there. Let's get over here. So it's got these power louvered things. So Steven's putting those back on the grill.
We know where they go.
Yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update, show you some of the walk around there.
The ladies all wear sunglasses, which never stops anyone to see their eyes. Inside the grey with his red painted fingernail hands, smoothly shifted gears from first to second, and from second to first, and from first to second, and back to first, and second again, down to first, back to second.
Yee-hoo! We've come a long way, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, about to pull the heads off. Water pump's ready to come out except for one bolt. We've just been pouring coolant all over the floor. So just thought we'd give you a quick update. Betty White's coming along. Holy smokes. End of day one. Project Betty White. One head off. And we're headed off to bed. We've been at it. How long today?
We started, well, the trip started at 8.
Yeah.
We've been out here 4:35 now.
So, big day. Fun times. Okay. Keep up with what's coming. Subscribe to the channel and find us on Instagram at L86. Thanks.